Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell ebook on Beacons AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Beacons AI, you can use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Beacons AI, as you know, it is an all-in-one link in bio, just like Linktree, and creator-focused platform that can help users to build a mobile website and sell digital products, etc., collecting emails, launching media kits, etc., marketing, all from a single customizable page. So this is it. This is how it would look. So yeah, it is a powerful no-code hub for digital creators, especially useful if you're looking to do more than just collecting links. And it actually streamlines your online presence, enable monetization across your multiple channels, and it can offers intelligent tools also to grow and engage your audience. So this is it. This is actually it. So you can explore any of these tools that will improve your social media account or your audience itself, when especially if you're having a business. So now, how can you add digital products? So first, rightly log into their page right here and go to and sign in your account. And after that, after you go to this dashboards right here, you can see this options right here, digital products. You can just click on it and you can just click on my digital products. And if you click on it, you will be redirected to this window right here. So let's just wait. So as you can see, make your link in bio shoppable. So you just need to click get started. And right here, you can now just create your product, digital product, or appointment, course, or membership. It's up to you. But for now, we need to create a digital product. So we just need to click on this right here. So right here, as you can see, if you want to create a new product, so right now we're selling ebook, right? So we just need to click plus new product right here. So it will ask you again, so what type of product you're selling. It is an appointment, course, membership, but since we're selling ebook, we need to choose this one, digital product. So after done, so as you can see, would be redirected to this page. As you can see, you need to edit four of your main page of your product: the product page, checkout page, success screen, and email receipt. So you can edit each of these sections right here. You can edit the text right here. For example, the ebook, title of our ebook. So let's just say ebook. So for the sake of the tutorial, and also the picture of your ebook. So mainly you just need to upload the front page or the title cover page of your book or ebook right here. And after you're done uploading your photos or your ebook product cover page, so for example, let's just add an image for the sake of the tutorial. So let's just delete the image first and click add image again and upload an image. So let's just choose this one. So yeah, after done uploading, you can just check out the preview of your image. And after you're good with it, just click accept, and that image will be transferred right here on the front page. This one. So now you can just edit the description of your ebook. So this is where you input the description of your ebook. For example, the topics included, yeah, etc. The title itself, yeah, you can put the descriptions right here. And also the price you need to set up. Just click on it. You can set up the price. You can set it, pay what you want. So the customer set the price, and you can make the product for free, or you can mark it on sale with a discounted price. So if you want, you can set up a price. You can choose the currency of your or payment and the price of the ebook. So let's just say $10. So if you want, you can add a discount code and you can enable this non-guaranteed payment plan. So the non-guaranteed payment plans allow customers to split the cost of your product into multiple payments. So for example, installment. So yes, after you're done with that, yeah, after editing this page, you can just go directly to checkout and edit this too. So the name of the you can just input these sections right here, and their font size, their font text, etc., etc. Yes, and with also and also for the success screen. So this is how it would look after the customers ordered your ebook. So this is how it would look like. So you just need to edit this too. Click on it by section and edit this right here. And lastly, for the email receipt, same thing too. So this is how it would look like when the email is being sent to their Gmail accounts, their Google accounts. This is how it will look like. And you can edit this too. And right here on the optional section, you can add more. You can add an order bump, limited product sales, affiliate shares, SEO settings, overall rating, CTA button, reviews, checkout settings, and success screens. And yes, that's it. So after you're done, editing your product itself, the product page for main product page, and if you want, you can add this too. You can just click next, so that you need to upload the file itself, so digital file itself. So right here, you need to upload the ebook file itself. So make sure that you upload your ebook file right here, and you can upload a file or you can upload the link of your ebook. So if your ebook comes through a different website, you can just copy that website and add the link right here. And yes, that's it. So after you're done uploading your ebook, just click next. And right here, you just need to list your product. So you can just choose the location where you want to list your ebook. And after you choose your location, just click list product, and that product or your ebook will be listed to your account. And yes, that's it. That's how you can sell ebooks on Beacons.ai. It's pretty much easy. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.